At Surveyor, our focus is to provide superior craftsmanship and unmatched value to the retail customer. Let us help you understand the Surveyor advantage and what it is that sets us apart from the competition. Surveyor offers all brushed nickel accessories, including a gooseneck faucet, which provides customers the ability to control water with one hand and multitask while working in the kitchen. Our stainless steel undermount sink offers a convenient double bowl style, making it easier to complete tasks and better utilize your space. And our matching flush mount sink cover provides that extra amount of counter space without sacrificing look and balance. Our glass top stove cover provides even more counter space than the competition. Now you don't have to sacrifice working space when you aren't using your range top. It conveniently folds up and down for easy use and features our standard knife block. At Surveyor, we try to provide all the comforts of home no matter where you are. Our 22-inch ovens, found in more models than any of our competition, make working in the kitchen easier, providing a large and usable space, one of our many Surveyor advantages. Also featured in select floor plans is our convenient central trash system, or CTS. Our system includes a flush cover that matches your countertop and standard tall kitchen trash can. It is easily accessible with a framed-in space for your receptacle, so your trash isn't on the move while you are. One thing is certain when you choose Surveyor, you're getting quality construction and features. Our Surfix laminated countertops are no exception. Stain, scratch, and chip resistant, our countertops are not only better made than our competitors, we offer more counter space as well. And you won't find any T-molded edges to accumulate food and moisture here. Just take a look for yourself. Our freestanding dinette floor plans feature seamless tabletops with easy-to-adjust table extensions for that extra amount of space not offered by other lightweight brands, as well as our easy-to-access underseat storage, keeping you comfortable and organized in your home away from home. At Surveyor, our goal is to make your life easy, which is why our entire line, excluding LE models, includes the extremely stable and completely removable Easy Glide table. Spring-loaded, it allows you to quickly convert your dinette to a spacious sleeping space, making it easier and more comfortable for your friends and family to join in on your adventure. The Easy Glide features a seamless tabletop and provides a stable area for your group to enjoy meals and games in our roomy dinettes. All booth dinettes feature our unique pillow back design, as well as full extension, easy-to-access storage drawers with real ball-bearing drawer guides, not plastic like our competitors. Whether you're gathering around the table for a family meal or lounging in front of the TV on a rainy day, our dinettes take comfort to another level, and our solid constructed, spacious drawers offer more than enough storage for all of your camping needs. Surveyor also features real wood slide-out fascia and flush-mounted LED lighting throughout the entire interior. Our push-button LEDs are not only easier to operate, but brighter and more energy efficient. We make it easier to enjoy your camper's amenities wherever your adventure takes you. One of Surveyor's key features is our barreled roof design. Our industry-leading interior height creates almost 7 feet of space, which means more headroom throughout the entire camper. Our design also allows us to build taller slide-out boxes, so you don't have to sacrifice your comfort. This design also provides more effective runoff for rain and snow on the exterior, so your Surveyor will accumulate less water than the flat roof competition. Here's something not offered by most of our competitors: ducted AC in all models. Our central AC system features air ducts strategically placed throughout the entire camper for more comfort, and our system provides better airflow by giving the customer the ability to adjust airflow using our multi-directional vents. Did we mention our residential digital thermostat and holding tank monitor panel? Unlike non-digital thermostats offered by some of our competitors, with us you can regulate your camper's temperature with ease and monitor your holding tank levels with the press of a button. At Surveyor, we don't cut corners on quality. That is why we choose name brand, industry-leading TV and audio accessories. Unlike TV brands you've never heard of, offered by our competitors, our TVs are specifically designed to embrace road shock. Every Surveyor, excluding LE models, features a Jensen 32-inch LED TV, Bluetooth soundbar, and Sony CD/DVD player. Our 4-zone sound system, along with manually adjustable antenna, allows you to listen to movies and music wherever and whenever you choose. And we make it easy to pair your Bluetooth device by the single press of a button. Let's not forget our convenient USB charging station, conveniently located inside the entertainment center. We make it easy to stay connected while you're on the go. Surveyor also features quality American-made residential furniture, seen here in our push-back recliners and optional hide-a-bed sofa. Unlike competing brands, our system allows you to easily convert your sofa to a near queen-size sleeping space, and its foam-based design doesn't require blowing up an air mattress or have a bar in your back, sure to leave you sore in the morning. From residential furniture to real wood blinds and stylish window treatments, Surveyor provides all the comforts of home so you can relax and enjoy life on the road. All Surveyor cabinetry is made in-house and features large brushed nickel grab handles and real hardwood cabinet fronts. Our full extension, ball-bearing drawer guides provide easy-to-use, quality drawers that are built to last. At Surveyor, quality is our focus, so we take the extra step to screw and glue our cabinets, not staple, as well as provide you with the residential features such as recessed hidden hinges and adjustable pantry shelves. Not to mention, we offer more storage than our competitors, from industry-leading oversized bathroom storage to large food pantries and wardrobes. We've got room for whatever you need and more. Surveyor also features ducted heat in nearly all models, with in-floor heat ducts strategically placed throughout the camper and our optional electric fireplace with adjustable power and temperature. Surveyor will keep you more comfortable than our competition. Our furnace provides radiant heat to our standard fully enclosed underbelly, keeping your floor, tanks, and water lines warmer. And don't forget our optional Arctic package with 12-volt tank pad heaters, specifically designed to keep your tanks from freezing. At Surveyor, we want you to be able to camp later into the season if that's where your adventure takes you. Another great Surveyor feature is our bathrooms. We welcome you through our stylish shaker-style door with residential grab handle to our fully enclosed glass shower with one-piece shower surround found in many of our floor plans. Our quality-built shower enclosure features an easy-to-use latch and magnetic doors that provide a watertight seal so you can enjoy all the comforts of home without the mess. Not to mention, our rounded shower design and barreled ceiling give you more space than the competition. Our showers also include a handheld sprayer for increased mobility and a skylight for additional natural lighting. Our bunk models come standard with a low-rise, easy-to-step-in tub shower combination with a dry-fit shower curtain. Now you can easily bathe the kids or take a shower without the difficulty of those deep, hard-to-step-in tubs. Keep your bathroom dry and enjoy maximum shower space and convenience with Surveyor. And last but certainly not least is the Surveyor bedroom. All non-slide models come standard with residential queen-size beds that's 60 by 80 inches, not 74 inches like the majority of our competition offer. And we take that extra step to add residential features like plush throw pillows and stylish headboards. Also standard are night shades and a wide variety of storage options, including wardrobes, pull-out drawers, overhead cabinets, cubbies with built-in power outlets, and underbed storage made easily accessible by our standard gas struts. In addition, all private bedroom floor plans feature hardwood pocket doors, not cheap accordion fabric like some of our competition. All bed slide floor plans offer a walk-around, residential, king-size bed, large closet with shelves and hanging rod, and a 6-drawer oversized wardrobe. And just like our queen-size beds, our kings offer spacious underbed storage. The Surveyor Advantage means better quality and better features. Explore the Surveyor Advantage.